Guys, I got this special box today. At my house today it's very, very 30 degrees today. Still say, guys, this is so awesome. I can't even see it. Let's open the magic box. Don't know if you can see it, but yep, it's that. Do that and then do that. Yeah. Let's open the box. Oh, wait. Now, let's open the box. Do-do-do-do-do. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, a fidget spinner. A fidget spinner. This is what I got, guys. So good. Love it. Not really. A little bit. Good thing too. Look at this. This is a good sound. You can see through that. It's so weird. Yeah, in my house today. So there's nothing to do. I don't know how to video game, whatever. Might have some videos Roblox, but that's only Roblox. I don't know how to do Minecraft or something. Assigning to Minecraft doesn't work. Don't know why. Wait, yeah, got very long hair. Yeah, I got very long hair now. So yeah, tanned a little. Well, a little bit. So maybe I could do a Q&A video. Well, leave some questions for me in the link in the description down below. And press the like button. Select that like button so hard so your hand hurts. Well, so your hand bleeds. Slap me so hard so your hand bleeds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Really? You didn't do it? You didn't do it? Okay, it's been 3 minutes, but it's pretty much storage. A lot of storage. So, yeah, I'll do some more videos. Time get some more. So, yeah, bye guys. And also, I want to, could we get 1,000 likes? Please. Well, 100. Yeah, and also, subscribe. Oh, maybe we could get 20 subscribers. So, bye guys, and I'll see you on the time. Bye!